We're going to start with Tesla. We talked about this in the top 10 video, flipping over through this level and pushing. You got right up to that 935.63 today. There were some decent setups on this. I'm just going to walk you through them and really start focusing on your patterns and your support and resistance lines, because this is working really well. So this was one we actually just did perfectly in the trading room. You could just see that you were respecting this line. You were being super technical. We know wicks are price rejection. We were rejecting there, right? And you can see how you're over here. So you know you have an issue, right? You just don't know when that issue is going to kick in. You don't want to sell because you're over the 70. Watch that RSI video. If you haven't, I'll link it at the end. But you don't want to sell just because you're over 70, but you want to have your antenna up. And then when you get up to crazy land, when you're like 90, 91, 92, start paying attention. And this is on a 15-minute chart. You can see how you broke here and bonk ran right up. And then you just kind of bonked right off of that level. So that's the level you have to watch for tomorrow. I would be a little concerned of just about this. You had this nasty red bar down, and then that red bar became your entire trading range for the day. So that might mean it's a little tired. We closed the majority of the position today, and then I have some on from Friday's position. But overall, I'm not really crazy about how this closed. But I do want to point this out. If you can get over this level and close over this level, you're starting to look at much higher levels. Like you could see 1,000. You could see that this RSI can curl. So this needs to be on your radar. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.